College pun fibro section 4 te alap yang sasaungut kiba tu on fermin hagan exam mekle please te kumbang di ong ba kipun mak bile tu te menta kila strict bat kajing yo kem kala khambun ban nikini exam kibla dep bat nikini kisangut de laingut de napo is jainte hill bat iwe de napo eastern west khasi hill te kumbani ong manapor ba don be kajing le tu te kade shisha bat menta anda kila strict ja lap shisha kita kiba le tu connect kaban kong 1st June magana this is to inform that on 1st June for noon written test for the post of AB, B and C, MPRO, GD Constable Handyman in various districts. However, despite clear instruction, kinang don gibal eto in one of the examination center in East Jainte Hill. Two candidate hak AB are ngot candidate hak AB gibal eto roll number 22049407 but roll number 220223738 was reported to have resulted to malpractice by using unfair mean. Taking during the examination which amounted to violation of rule and guidelines in the examination. Such misadventures act is condemnable and intolerable in a transparent recruitment process TRP adhered by the CRB, Central Recruitment Board. Hence, in the individual bearing the above number are hereby debarred from future police recruitment irrespective of post to be conducted by the CRB on their candidature for their present recruitment stand rejected. Kineru la sha reject wed ha kibanwan ki future police recruitment ru la sha reject debar by umsha shu ban yo ban apply kini kiro number arngut if the concerned person wish to content kila ban file representation ada kisngo ba kadai ka basisha ka jingle ka jongki. And second evidence kali halai poetarik jongka fireman. This informed that on 31st May 2025 afternoon a written test for the post of driver fireman. Nalor bangada ong ba kaduna post duna kiba qualify nam taga driver fireman nang tar nang don balik tu. Te kanero kade po East Jainte Hill one candidate bearing roll number 3303220 retorted to malpractice by using unfair mean to unero kajuhi la sha abet reject page don kam shu ban yum la shu ban apply kamru ha complete hakini ki ban wan kamamo so we brade po East and West khas hill mairang ko we sentar po East and West khas mairang kanero kajuhi hakalai phoi tarik mwe jaga dai jongka post fireman to the fair driver fireman de jong fireman roll number 330024444 result malpractice unero la sha di bar baik nam taka future police recruitment but ula sha reject baik teknik sangut la sha reject but kita gibladap arngut te mut ba la tip lupa ba kata gajing ong gajing itu ki ne ki balai tu exam ba ki bon bhag bela tu kadai shisha ki ong ba napo is jenta ka bon bhag jing la tu da ki sentar ma om dei baro ba west jenta ro kidon sapo is khasil ro kidon lagi jong te menta kala penpau shisha baga day shisha te kini bela sharjak la sharjak te nagam ta kini exam ki beladap shakmat te kandon gajing ke lashai kemonde te phaban lek banami nomor ba kumbala imanta ba kade shisha bun bha gajing le tu te kasyong sapi candidate ki bela exam ki wi ke ko phi ya persha ke bhi kwa te phin hapan ya decide lang para mapi ke bari ban le bar ke jinga kwa ke jong phi margidon gi bang bakwa ban re exam yang te kaneka center kun kala check kan page bahai kita ke baro te kan sapan mana bar kan sa jing tip ha de kita te tangi nei jing tip khlesibun